Welcome to my channel where I share my experiences using only clothing subscription boxes to build an entire new wardrobe after gaining weight in my 50s and nothing fit. In today's video, my first video of 2025, I have my second Petite Ave bag. If you're interested in seeing how well Petite Ave curated my winter wardrobe for someone who is over 50, 5 feet 2 inches, a size large, and apple-shaped, please join me and watch the rest of this video. If you're not familiar with Petite Ave, it's another personal styling clothing subscription service. In my video of my first bag from Petite Ave, I went into detail with how their subscription service works, as well as how it differs from other services. So if you're interested in learning those details, you can check out that video, which I will link to at the end of this video. Besides noting that I needed winter clothes in my note to my stylist, I specifically requested a long wool, well, to the knee, not long because I think it would make me look shorter if it was below the knee, but a long wool single-breasted coat. That's my first priority for my winter wardrobe. I also requested long sleeve sweaters and was hoping they would include like a cashmere and cable knit sweater for me to try. And if you watched my first Petite Ave video, you know that I wanted a cardigan. And they did include it in the first bag, but it didn't work out. So I asked for a cardigan again in this bag. So I am excited to see what is in the bag. The bag doesn't quite seem big enough, but let me show you. So this is my bag from Petite Ave. And at first glance, oh, it doesn't look like it has like a long wool winter coat in here. Like, look at it. It's not. Does it look fat enough? So I'm worried. like a long winter coat and, heavy sweaters for winter. Although if you look at it, right, you'll see that it has, it's really taped up. It's bulging out of here. So we'll see what's actually in here. Right. Okay, this is always my favorite part. I love just seeing the bundle and I think it's because I just like seeing all the colors and seeing how they go together, like the color scheme together. So even though you get a bag in the first order, right, it was still nicely folded and you still had it wrapped in tissue paper and a nice little bundle. Ooh, it looks like they gave me just all dark clothing. So I don't know how nice this bundle will be because it's all crammed in here, but from the materials, they nice soft sweater knit materials. Look, there's a green. Oh, too bad there's no red. Okay. Well, at least they gave me a pop of color with this orange on the last one. But let me just pull it out quickly. Okay, so it looks like I have 2 tissue wrapped bundles. Throw this to the side. Okay. There's paperwork on the bottom here. Okay. Poly mailer for returns. Throw that to the side. Your paperwork that has the invoice. Yeah, there's no note. So you don't get a stylist note. And it looks like I only received 5 items this time instead of the 7 that I had before. First, let's just look at the bundle. So there's 5 items. It looks like just dark. Ooh. I see a peak of color here. There's something that it's very thin. It's still knit, but look, it's like a orange red. Okay. Oh, and then sort of a neutral, like a tan, taupe, green, black, Another, ooh, is this a coat? Oh my gosh. For all the subscription services I use, I always include a general note as to my coloring that I'm medium beige, medium tan, whatever. I don't know, but that's my complexion. And, you know, golden yellow undertone. So I always trust, because that's the point of using a styling service, that the stylist will know what colors would flatter somebody with their different color tones, I hope, right? As well as, you know, letting them know not just your size, but like your shape, so that like that's one of the reasons why you would use a personal styling service, like for help, right? Okay, so we'll see what they gave me. So squashed in there, so it's not as nice, the tissue, it's a little beat up, right? But you still get like your little sticker that says Petite Ave. It's not personalized. I never like, even if it's beat up, I never like tearing open the tissue. I like sliding things out. So here's the red. Ooh, V-neck sweater from Calvin Klein. Yay. Soft, long sleeve. So this is a lighter sweater. Oh, look, and it has a collar. I like stuff like that. So very nice. There's it's a ribbed knit on the bottom. Look at this little detail. Look, it says DK. I finally have a red. Okay. Yay. What's next here? Let's slide it. This tan taupe. Oh, it's a cardigan. So I think, hold on. Also long sleeve, thin, so it would be a good layering item. And look, it doesn't look like it would be too long. Right? If you haven't seen my previous Petite Ave video, you'll know why I'm laughing. Okay, ooh, I'm excited about this. Here is oh, look at this. This looks cute. It's a dress. It's a sweater dress. I always just worry about sweater dresses. Look at it, it looks pretty. Okay, it's got a V-neck. And it looks like, I think it's a 3/4 sleeve. Awesome. All right, ooh. Could see I guess this counts as a cable knit sweater dress. I always worry with sweater dresses with knits that is like a whole dress instead of just a top, that because of my belly. It never flatters my belly. But depending on where it goes in and where it flares out, I have hopes. What's this? Ooh, this is a like big cozy knit sweater. Very winter-like, yes. All the others were like this is so soft. Okay, look at this is a super long and in black. It's okay, so this is also a sweater dress. This is a chenille V-neck sweater dress. Okay, that makes sense. It's just loose fitting. I don't know how flattering that will be on me. This is warm. It's so super soft. Another V-neck. Yeah. I like it. I'm excited to try these all on. I like how so far it's like all different colors. So is this a coat? Is this last thing that is in tissue on its own a coat? It's definitely not a wool coat. I don't think so. But I do feel fur on it. Okay, alrighty. So, okay. Oh. Okay. Oh, look, it has fur on it. I like this. Like, I just like feeling it. I don't know how it looks on. And this is a cliche, right? So, I mean, it's the length of a long coat, but I don't know if you could see, right? Like, the wind would blow right through this, although it's warm. So, I don't know. Oh, but look at this material. And it's got fur inside. Huh. I don't know. Could it work as a coat? No, not during the snow days. But I do like the inclusion of it, that they tried to include something warm, right? It's just not a wool coat. Maybe they didn't have any in stock. Here is the coat again. There's no button. So the same issue that I've been having, even if this is warm, the same issue that I've been having in terms of, the pockets. See how, I know it's knit, so it's just sweater material. I know myself. I'll be all like, I can't put keys or anything. I'll probably break it. This is quite warm in here. I just don't know how warm it would be outside. Plus, right, is there a button? There's no button. Ooh, I don't know. What do you think? Looks good. Let me change the angle so you could see more full length. Okay, you don't get my feet, but you can sort of see where it lands. Right. So, since I can only afford like one winter coat, I actually don't want a coat again. I want a coat. So I probably, even though I like this, it's just not practical for when the snow comes. I need to be able to like zip up, button up. So when the wind hits, I'm like insulated. Okay, let's try on the sweaters. Looks nice with the orange sweater. I mean, my shoulders look a little puffy because of the sleeves underneath, but I think it looks nice. What do you think? I don't like my, sorry, these are, the jeans have stretched out. I gained like 5 pounds over the holidays. Yeah. Okay. And this is petite sizing. Oh, look. Look, it has a split in the sleeve. I didn't know I would like that, but I like this. I don't know why. Okay, so it's just a thin cardigan, but I've been wanting a oh, there's a seam that goes down here. Do you see? Yeah. Here's the Calvin Klein. Maybe I need a extra large since I gained, like, at the beginning of summer, I was 150 pounds, and then when I went back to work in the fall, going back to work, I lost 10 pounds, and then over winter, I gained 5 pounds, so I'm back to 145 pounds. But I didn't bother to change any of the sizing. I just kept it at like large, size 12 to 14. I like where it lands, definitely, but there's something weird about the way the shoulder fits. Like, here's the edge of my shoulder, but here's where the seam for the shoulder is. So, I don't know. So this is not, what is going on? Maybe if it was a deeper V-neck, it wouldn't have this weird, sorry, I'm looking at myself. Okay. So let me step back. Okay, I like where it lands. I don't think it's particularly, I don't know. It's here. It's just here where, it's funny because I had problems with, in the first Petite Ave order, like there was a top also that was similar to like having the collar, which I like, but it was a button down, but it didn't quite fit right here. Sorry for the sort of weird angle, but I was just trying to fit it in. Okay, I threw on some boots. This is the sweater dress. So it goes in a little, it flares out. It doesn't show the belly. Yay! Yay! I don't know, I like it. I don't know. I like the sleeve length. I could wear like fleece line tights with this and a winter coat. I don't know. What do you think? Like, I have no bottom. Typical Apple. I like it. I like the color. Is this good on me? Is the color good on me? Okay, let's try on the other dress. Okay. This is pretty shapeless, but it's super comfortable. This is the other sweater dress. Maybe I should just put it back. Can you wear black with brown boots with the black dress? I don't know. I don't have nice fancy black boots. Maybe should I wear? Yeah, I feel like this is not, it's not too tight. Definitely, it's super comfortable. Maybe I should wear a belt with it. Hold on. I have, here's a black belt. I don't know, make it all one. But I don't want it to go shorter. Oh, it turns it into a mini dress. Like, that's too much. But if I wear it, oh, I sort of like it with the belt. I don't know, it feels too short. Like, it's okay. Well, I could just wear it over jeans. Would it look all right with over jeans? Let me try. Okay, so, oh, does one do this? Do you wear, like, I feel like there was a time that I used to wear like dresses over jeans. I feel like it was like late 90s, early 2000s. That was a thing, right? But yeah, I don't think it works in this case. I do think that it would be better if I just wore it as a sweater. I like it with the belt. Like, I mean, perhaps I should have tried it also with the, no, same color belt. I have a brown belt. You might have seen in my previous videos that I throw things on. And so this is the smallest part of my waist. My waist doesn't go in much. Okay, so I feel like, you know, put some tights on underneath or whatever. And like, I like dresses, I really do. And generally I don't like shapeless dresses. I feel like also putting jeans underneath adds sort of some bulk here, but it's so soft. So I feel like it's a good holiday, you know, when you go over to like a family dinner or something like that, but the holidays are over. It's too bad. So I wouldn't mind having, like, wearing the sweater dresses because they're warm, but I would want a long winter coat to wear over them, which I don't have. I gotta find like a Burlington. Maybe they have like a long wool coat. Okay. Anyway, that's all the clothes. I got this bag December 30th, and it's the middle of March now. Should I finish and post this video?